Hello everyone, welcome back to English for Backbenchers। आज की इस वीडियो में हम आपके लिए लाए हैं लाइफस्टाइल शॉपिंग से रिलेटेड कुछ ऐसे खास अल्फाज जो यकीनन आपने अब तक नहीं सुने होंगे। Let's get started। आज की वीडियो का पहला वर्ड है आर्टिसनल। लेट्स एक्सप्लोर। उर्दू में इसका मतलब है सनती। Are you drawn to handmade craftsmanship? That's artisanal. It refers to product made by skilled artisans, often using traditional techniques and high quality materials. आइए देखते हैं artisanal को कैसे जुमले में इस्तेमाल कर सकते हैं। The artisanal cheese was made with care by local farmers, resulting in a rich and flavorful product. Our second word of today's video is curation. उर्दू में इसका मतलब है इंतखाब करना। It's all about the selection process. Curation involves carefully choosing to arranging items for display or sale, creating a cohesive and appealing shopping experience. आइए curation को जुमले में इस्तेमाल करते हैं। The art gallery's curation of painting from different periods, curated and engaging and cohesive exhibition. आज की वीडियो का तीसरा वर्ड है बिस्पोक। उर्दू में इसका मतलब है किसी के खास मकसद के लिए तैयार शुदा। It's tailor-made just for you. Bespoke refers to custom-made goods or services, crafted to individual specifications. It's the ultimate expression of personalization in shopping. आइए bespoke को जुमले में इस्तेमाल करते हैं। He commissioned a bespoke suit for his wedding day, ensuring the perfect fit and style for the special occasion. आज की वीडियो का चौथा वर्ड है eccentric। उर्दू में इसे कहते हैं बेतुका। Who does not love a touch of quirkiness? Eccentric describes something unconventional or unusual, adding a dash of personality to your shopping finds. आइए eccentric का जुमले में इस्तेमाल करते हैं। हर eccentric taste in jewelry always attracted attention with bold and unconventional pieces adorning her fingers and ears. Last but not least, Panach। उर्दू में इसे कहते हैं भड़की। Every stylish shopper's secret weapon. Panach is about flair and style, adding that extra oomph to your fashion choices and lifestyle. आइए Panach को जुमले में इस्तेमाल करते हैं। She walked into the room with confidence and panache, her outfit exuding style and charisma. There you go. Lifestyle shopping trumps with Urdu meanings, spicing up your next retail trip. Remember, language opens door, even in shopping. Thanks for tuning in. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more linguistic explorations. Until next time, happy shopping!